Welcome to Creamer Media TV. Today we talk to consulting engineering firm SSI rail engineer Andre Fryer to find out more about the company's involvement in current rail infrastructure projects. Welcome, Andre.
Thank you.
Andre, briefly discuss what are the current major rail infrastructure projects SSI is involved with.
Okay, the most exciting project that we are involved in at the moment is doubling of the rail line between Eerste Fabrieke and Greenview in Mamelodi Gardens. It includes about 4 kilometers of doubling of the line, and then the upgrading of Mamelodi Garden Station and Pinaspoort Station and the provision of a new station at Greenview. We are doing the project for Prasa, as the client, but it's on Transnet land, and it's sort of in conjunction with the city of Tshwane, who are providing the intermodal facilities and access to the stations for the community.
Are there any additional projects that you are involved with?
We were involved. We just finished off the national master plan. Now where I did the rail section for the Western Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, and then the national summary for the national report. The exciting sort of one on that side is with Pierre Lombard. We did the study for the rail gauge strategy for South Africa, which came to the conclusion that it's not economical to change the gauge of the current infrastructure, but the standard gauge should be considered for all future projects as one of the options, and where it's strategic or economical that it then be actually implemented.
Does it seem as if there is a renewed appetite for capital investment in rail infrastructure in Southern Africa?
From government point, there is a big stress, because they say that rail should form the backbone of the transport system. There's also stress and belief that rail can take a lot of the traffic from road and actually relieve the road. The reality seems to be a little bit more different, because the most of the traffic that's on road is not really that suitable for rail, in general freight and so on, because the rail is really very competitive in heavy stuff and bulk loads, where the cost to load a train and offload the train, like the ores, is the same as road, and then the advantage of much cheaper stuff is helping. So the work that we did for NatMap indicated that the current rail infrastructure is actually quite adequate for the next sort of 30 years, apart from the main coal line and iron ore line, where the growth is really in exporting, where investments need to be done to create capacity for it.
Thank you, Andre. That was SSI Chief Engineer for Rail Services, Andre Fryer, talking to us about the firm's involvement in some of the most recent rail infrastructure projects. For Creamer Media Television, I am Henry Lazenby in Johannesburg.